Okay, I need to tell you something, and you're not going to like it. The AI benchmark scores you see everywhere, the ones every company brags about in their launch videos, yeah, those ones. They are mostly fake, and not kinda fake, not exaggerated, but like fake. Because some researchers from UC Berkeley just proved it. They built one AI agent, just one, and they used it to hack 8 of the biggest AI benchmarks in the world. The agent got 100% score on almost all of them without doing any of the actual work. It solved 0 tasks and got perfect score. Amazing. I'll show you how they actually did it, and some of these are really dumb, you will laugh. Then I'll give you a simple way to pick AI models for your own work that does not involve testing any benchmark ever again. So quickly, first thing, if you're new to this, a benchmark is just a test like a school exam but for AI. Usually the company gives the AI a test, sees the score and uses that score to say, look how good we are. And that score is how most people decide which AI to use. And I'm one of these people, but lately I have been seeing in developer communities kind of people laughing about these benchmarks. And when I did more digging, I found out, yeah, these benchmarks don't mean that much. So let me show you what I mean. Trick number 1, terminal breach. The test is supposed to be real hard, 89 difficult tasks. The kind of work a real programmer does all day. But the researchers found something real funny. When the test runs, it needs to download a small tool from the internet every single time. Think of it like a delivery truck. Every time the test starts, it sends a truck to go pick up files from the internet and bring them back. So what did the researchers do? They replaced the truck. When the test sent the truck out to get files, the researchers grabbed the truck first, and their fake truck showed up and said, yep, everything is great, test is passed, great job. That truck just lied, that's it, 100% score, amazing. 89 out of 89 tasks, and they wrote 0 actual code to solve any problems. Trick number 2, and this one is embarrassing, field work arena. 890 tasks, big test, supposed to check if AI can understand pictures, videos, and PDFs. The researchers opened the code that checks if you got the right answer, and it was only 3 lines long. Yeah, 3 lines long. And all it did was check one thing. Did the AI send a message back? That's it. It never looked at the answer, it just checked if the AI said anything at all. So the researchers made their AI send the shortest possible message, basically a blank reply, like sending an empty text, and boom, 100% on all 890 tasks. And I'm actually not joking, this is real. This is basically the test millions of dollars of AI research have been measured on. Trick number 3, web arena. 812 web browsing tasks. The AI is supposed to navigate websites and complete jobs. And here's the problem. The correct answers to the test were saved on the same computer where the AI was taking the test, just sitting there in file. Anyone can actually open it. So the AI opens the file, reads the answers, and of course, you guessed it, perfect score. That's like teacher leaving the answer sheet on your desk during the exam and then being shocked when you get 100%. Trick number 4, Gaia. This one is actually my favorite because I could actually pass myself because all the answers are public on the internet. Anyone can download them, so the AI just looks them up, like straight up Googling the answers. But here's the funniest part. The leaderboard has one rule. If someone scores 100%, they get blocked because that would be suspicious. So the AI just gets one question wrong on purpose and gets 98%. Problem solved. That's like cheating on tests and being smart enough to miss one question on purpose so the teacher does not catch you. Incredible behavior, honestly. Okay, now let's talk about the serious part. Why does this matter to you? Every time an AI company releases a new model, they show you these scores. I even talked about these scores when I was talking about Mythos from Anthropic. We scored 85 on this benchmark, the competitor scored 78, so yeah, pick us. And you probably did pick based on that. Did pick, almost like other word. Most people do, and actually I do it myself. This research basically says these numbers tell you nothing, which is Not ideal. These tests are so broken that a dumb script beats the smartest models. So when you see a chart saying model A is better than model B because of the score, you have no idea what that actually means. So how do you actually pick an AI model without getting tricked? So here's what I do. 3 simple tests, takes around 20 minutes and works for any AI. So test 1, the real work test. Pick one task you do in your business every week. This could be anything, writing emails to clients, making product descriptions, summarizing meetings, anything you actually do. Now give that exact task to AI, not a fake version, the real thing, the real data, the real styles, and look what comes back. Would you send this to your customer? Yes or no? If the answer is no, it does not matter what score the AI actually got on the benchmark, it failed your test, the test that actually matters. Test 2, the messy test. Real work is never clean, so your customer sends you a weird emails with typos, your invoice is half broken, your notes are chaos, so feed the AI a messy version of the same task, see what it does. A model that can handle your mess is worth 10 times more than a model that can actually script his way to winning these leaderboards. Test 3, the money test. Run the same task 10 times, check how long it took, check how much it cost. Benchmarks will never tell you this part, because a model scoring 90% but costing you $10 per task, well, that's useless. A model scoring 75% but costing only 5 cents per task, now that's actually useful and amazing. And to be real with you, nobody is running these tests, which would be really useful for most of you watching. And of course, if this video was useful to you, don't forget to subscribe for more. See you next time.